Greetings, it's your girl Jessica with Nigel's Jamaican Almond Oil, Almond World, and just wanted to give you a quick guide on how to use our Moringa seed oil serum. So many people have been asking, and we've had this product for a long time, but it's kind of like my secret sauce, so we don't make a whole lot of it. So it's made from the Moringa seed, Moringa seed. We cold press it. And you can learn more about Moringa by looking it up. And you take just a small amount, very small amount.
I love the roses too.
And then, actually I have too much. You take it, put it right underneath the eyes. Moringa has a lot of vitamin C, and what the vitamin C does, it acts as a natural collagen. So it's absolutely wonderful. We put it where there's fine lines. And then rub it all over. You're gonna feel a little tightening of your skin. It's the vitamin C being activated. And then whatever's left over, wow, you're really close. Whatever's left over, you rub it into your hands, because we want our hands to keep looking young too, right? All right, well, thank you. I hope you enjoy your Nigel's Moringa seed oil serum. Blessings.